In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save a document in Word. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open your new or blank document that you wish to create. So I'll go ahead and click on Start menu and then search for Word. And you can see we have Word here. I'll click on the Word application and then open a blank document to create my own new document. So I'll go ahead and enter my text here, and this is the text that I have. And now I wish to save this document. To save it, it's pretty simple. Just head over to this top left corner and you'll see we have File. Click on File, and under this, look for the option called Save As if you are saving for the first time. Go ahead and click on Save As, and then here you'll have an option to choose the location where you want to save the document. For this, I want to go ahead and save it on desktop. So I'll click on desktop, and then we have here folders that are on my desktop. Choose if you want to save this Word document under any of these folders. However, if you just want it to be on the desktop, leave this blank and just go ahead and give your Word document a name. So I'll go ahead and give a file name, and then go ahead and click on Save. And by doing that, your Microsoft Word file will have been saved on the desktop. Now, if I go ahead and close this, I should be able to find the file with the same name that I saved on my desktop. And look at that, here it is. If I go ahead and click on it, you can see it contains the same information. However, if you are saving your file document or your Word document for the second time, suppose maybe I make here some changes like this, and I'll wish to go ahead and exit, I'll need to go ahead and save this. To save this is pretty simple. Now go ahead and click on File again, but this time around, instead of clicking on Save As, just go ahead and click on Save. And from that, you'll not need to select a location because your file is already on the same place. Alternatively, to save your file or your Word document after making any change on it, just go ahead and use the keyboard shortcut Control button plus S to save your Word document, and this will save it. Now you can safely close it and you'll not have any issue. So that's how you can save a document in Word. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.